name's Kevin. Just went through the threesome seminar with JT Tran of ABCs of Attraction. I have to say that the material I just received is absolutely outstanding. I'm an alumni of JT's boot camps, and seeing how this material falls into place with the basic information that you receive during the 3-day boot camp, you can see how this material really works wonders and can get you consistent results in obtaining threesomes, foursomes, and who knows, maybe even further beyond. I want to thank the ABCs of Attraction so much for coming by. Hope to see you guys soon.
Hey guys, this is Jeff Kahn, threesome expert and coach at ABCs of Attraction. Previously, we put out a video of me doing day game with indirect approaches. Many of you guys commented below saying that you wanted to see a full-length interaction. The thing about the previous video was that all my interactions were kind of fast forward because we wanted to show all my sets. So this set that was most voted on is the most solid one. It was my last set. It was